start this conversation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be introducing you guys to the tutorial series of how to make a countdown timer, which you can see right here. So the good thing about this countdown timer is able to count down from now up to New Year's Eve, which is January up to New Year of next year, which is January 1st 2022. And on top of that, we're able now, the app is actually able to change the background every 5 seconds. So as you can see right now, it's cycling through the various wallpapers of Iron Man. So you can put any wallpaper that you want, just make sure the syntax is correct, and you can even change the target date. It can even be tomorrow or whatever day you want. So hope you guys find this video informative, and hope you're going to learn a lot along this journey. It won't take a long time. It's quite brief, and I've provided the necessary sources, provided the GitHub link to the full code. I've even provided the GitHub link to the starter template you can download and you can get started with. I've provided a PDF which you can see the whole code if you prefer viewing it offline, and there's even a blog series that you can see online if you want to. So it's up to you. Hope the resources will be adequate, and if you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And if you liked what I'm doing, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.